first up, let's begin with the live updates that we are picking up from Hyderabad, where weeks of fiery face-off, the first sign seems to be emerging of a likely thaw in hostilities between the state and the star, the Allu Arjun story. Amid speculations over strain and ties between the Congress government and the film industry following the arrest of the superstar, the Telangana State Film Development Corporation chairman, leading producer Dil Raju, who are currently meeting Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy. The team that includes artists, producers and directors, including Allu Arjun's father, Allu Arvind, and also the meeting that is taking place with the Chief Minister, where a total of 20 producers, 13 directors and 11 artists are said to be part of this meeting, including the popular actor Nagarjuna as well. Now, with this meeting that is now taking place, Telangana Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, who has now arrived at the venue, and the meeting that has just begun, according to the live updates that we are picking up from the ground there as far as this meeting venue is concerned, where security has been heightened, and remains to be seen exactly what could be the outcome of this meeting, whether it would lead to further hostilities or whether it will end the tensions between the Telangana film industry, or Tollywood as it is also called, and when it comes to possibly when it comes to an anti-climax could be expected. Let's in the meantime get in a word from Akansha. Akansha, good morning. Over to you. Live update. Sumit also joining us right now. We are told the Chief Minister has arrived.
Well, absolutely, Amita. Let me straight away show you the visuals. I'm currently standing at the police headquarters, and just a while back, the Chief Minister went inside, and what we're learning is that the meeting between the prominent figures of the film industry and the Chief Minister has already started. Now, after weeks of push and pull between the Telangana Chief Minister and actor Allu Arjun, what we're learning is that there could be a dramatic thaw in their IC standoff. The meeting is what we're learning has started. We have visuals of the meeting in which Allu Arvind, who's the father of Allu Arjun, is present. As far as Pushpa movie is concerned, the producer is present in this meeting. What we're learning is 21 producers, 13 directors and 11 artists from the Telugu film industry are present in this crucial meeting. And in fact, as far as the agenda of the meeting is concerned, it is regarding building the bridges. Sources have told us that the discussion could be on the Stampede tragedy, the strained relationship between the Telangana government and also the film industry could be part of this important meeting that is happening today. All this after 3 weeks after the Stampede took place, and after that BJP and BRS here in Telangana, they've said that the Chief Minister and also the Congress government here, several leaders are targeting Allu Arjun because they have they have some issue with him because he did not campaign for the Congress government during the assembly elections. So these charges have come from the opposition parties there. But now it appears that the Telugu film industry, the prominent figures, they all are coming together for Allu Arjun. All of them are meeting with the Chief Minister right now. And sources have told us that the Stampede tragedy and involvement of Allu Arjun as far as the entire case is concerned.
We'll talk about the politics over it, of course, when it comes to the political parties like the BJP and the BRS and the AIMIM, the allegations that are now being leveled to and for when it comes to this entire incident that was reported outside the Sandhya Theatre on the 4th of December. Let's get in a word from Sumit as well, because Sumit, you were reporting from the incident side. Unfortunately, what has been the outcome of one individual losing her life and her son being grievously injured? However, he is said to be now in a better condition, recovering. That means, as far as this entire incident is concerned, this unity meeting that seems to be called upon as far as the Tollywood film industry with the Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, what exactly are the expectations on ground?
Well, yes, it's very much clear that after Nagarjuna's, structure, 400-450 crores worth of structure was demolished by the Hydra, and later, Allu Arjun was booked and he was initially arrested. Later, entire drama we have covered, and when it comes to the 4th of December, we have reported from the spot, and we were there, and how unfortunate, it turned, because initially that woman came there along with the family, and later huge crowd barged into the theatre, and at that time stampede-like situation was seen, and later when she was shifted to the hospital, she was declared brought dead. And after that, Chief Minister, Congress leaders, including Cinematography Minister, because including Cinematography Minister is also the in the meeting now along with the Chief Minister, and even others are present. So Cinematography Minister, Chief Minister himself and several others have attacked Allu Arjun, and also big cine personalities who have arrived and supported Allu Arjun when during the time of his release from the Chenjalguda Central Prison. So after that, it was said that by the senior personalities, a few senior personalities said that intentionally Congress government is targeting. However, the opposition parties, BJP, BRS, have come down heavily on the Congress party, stating that Allu Arjun is not responsible. While just to divert the attention, Allu Arjun is being targeted and he's being used as a scapegoat. And even BJP has said that this is nothing but state-sponsored Gundaism, and BRS has said that this is unruly, and also unnecessarily Allu Arjun is being targeted. But police and Congress leaders, they said that Allu Arjun is directly responsible for this incident. He knew about it and he knew about the consequences when it comes to Sandhya Theatre. However, after that, it looks like somewhat to discuss amicably solve the issues and also to build the healthy relationship between the government, also between the cine industry, because we know about the Tollywood industry. Big movies, will be big movies get produced here, and big movies are made here. In the Hyderabad city, we do have 2 film cities, and we know how even Bollywood movies are also made here in the Hyderabad city and in Telangana. So basically, to build the healthy relationship between the big stars, between the producers, between the directors, actors, and the government, this meeting was organized, is what we are informed by the even FDC, the Film Development Corporation chairman, and even inside the meeting has begun, and we are right now reporting from command control center at the Hyderabad in the Bandra Hills. So the meeting has begun. We have also accessed the photos here of the inside photos. We will, where we can also clearly see Allu Arvind in the picture. He's also inside. He will be also taking the part in the meeting, and Chief Minister and also Cinematography Minister, they will be the part of this meeting. So very soon I will also be getting to know what exactly was discussed, and it is expected that Allu Arjun issue will be discussed, Amita, because it has raised several eyebrows after he was arrested. But the Congress is standing on their claim, stating that he is responsible for this incident, for Revati's death, and also Sri Teja getting critically injured.
But generally,
so
also speaking about the other issues that are likely to be put on the table or not, we'll get to that front. But as Akansha and Somit are reporting live from that very venue where this interaction is currently taking place, we also now talk about when it comes to the political aspect to it. Because when it comes to the weeks of showdown that has been witnessed between the team of Pushpa and also Revanth Reddy government, and hours after the Chief Minister, however, indirectly slammed the actor for holding a roadshow and waving to the crowds at the theatre when it became unmanageable without referring to anyone, the actor himself refuted the allegations and calling them as misinformation, saying that it was an attempt to character assassinate. The BJP, however, says that dialogue only seems to be the way forward.
फिल्म इंडस्ट्री में स्पेशली तेलुगु एक्टर्स ने, अगर आप उनका योगदान देखें तो फिल्म को और भारतीय सिनेमा को ग्लोबल मैप पे ले जाने का उन्होंने काम किया है, और कुछ लोग उनको फ्लोर मैट पे लाने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं. बहुत बड़ा कंट्रीब्यूशन हमारे फिल्म इंडस्ट्री का, अभिनेताओं का है. अगर आप पिछले कुछ वर्षों में देखेंगे, जहां एक और नेशनल अवार्ड नरेंद्र मोदी जी की सरकार में अल्लू अर्जुन जी को मिला, चिरंजीवी जी को लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड मिला, एक और तो उनके योगदान को पूरा देश और दुनिया सराह रहा है. मुझे लगता है किसी कंट्रोवर्सी को खड़ा करने की बजाय प्रयास होना चाहिए कि संवाद हो, सुरक्षा का ख्याल रखा जाए, ना कि राजनीति की जाए.
Well, even when it comes to reactions that have been coming in, of course, the actor there who has refuted the allegations, the BJP calling it as the way forward. However, when it comes to the actor's father, Allu Arvind, who was also part of this current delegation that is meeting Chief Minister Revanth Reddy, also announcing financial assistance of 2 crore rupees to the family of the woman, her son there rather, who has been grievously injured. And Allu Arjun's father has said that he is relieved in a way, because according to the doctors there at the private hospital, the boy is he is also recovering there and is now breathing on his own. That is a development that is now coming with regards to the boy's health condition.
He is recovering well. and doctors are very satisfied about his recovery. Previously he was on ventilation. In the last few days he has come out of ventilation and he is breathing himself, and doctors say that's a very good sign and he is going to recover fast, and I wish very soon he should be walking along with us.
Well, remains to be seen the outcome of this meeting, which is currently underway. The exclusive pictures are on your screens right now. For the moment, Sumit and Akansha, thank you very much. Those are the first-hand updates that we are getting for our viewers from Hyderabad.